Next, hi guys! Today let's learn about healthy habits. Next, one thing. Can you solve this riddle? I have not seen, but I'm always done, followed by many, avoided by some. In the morning, in the night, or the day's middle. I am an action. I am a pattern. A little riddle. What am I? If you know the answer, let's move on. The answer is a habit. Great job, guys. Now let's move on. Hi, guys. So, one thing think, pair, and share. If you don't have a pair yourself to your thoughts. I'm just kidding. Pair yourself to someone else. If you're in your home, how about pair your thoughts with your sister? Now have a sister, pair with your thoughts with your mother and father. Now share your ideas with the rest of your family or with the I'm sorry, with your family. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. What is a habit for you? That's great, but for me and for the screen, a habit is a regular behavior or a routine. Like, do you know a morning routine, a night routine, or morning routine and night routine only? If you know more, comment the section. I'm just kidding. Okay, now a routine is like a behavior that you do most of the time, or the times that you do it again and 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 again. So it's called a habit because it's like a regular behavior or a routine that's always repeated repeatedly. Okay, next please. Okay, let's class brainstorm. What are the healthy habits that we can brainstorm together as a class? If you're not saying anything, I have something that I can share. Let me get my. I'm sorry. So, healthy habits that we can brainstorm together. But I have one. I have eating right, watching our weight, regular. I exercising regular, managing our mental health, and getting rich with medical exams. So that are the habits that I can brainstorm. So if you want to share, you can put it right on the screen. Bye bye. Next, I forgot to tell you, I have examples of here. So in the screen we have examples of healthy habits. Ooh, that's so nice. Planning, hydration, exercising, skincare, hygiene, nutrition, organization, and hobbies. That's all the healthy habits include. So first, let's go to planning. Okay, planning. We have many plans, right? But you always plan to do something today before you do it. That is developing the habit of planning essential for your managing time and resources effectively. It helps organizing your tasks, day-to-day tasks, and long-term goals. It can reduce stress, enhancing productivity for students like you guys. Consistent planning is crucial for academic success. So, we learn about planning that we can develop hydration, regular hydration. Why do we need water? Because water aids digestion. So when we say digestion, it you know, and one thing, it helps eliminate toxins. You know what toxins are? If you're eating, it's kind of gross. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, we don't need to say it. You can just Google it. Yeah, because toxins. Yeah, you know what toxins is. And one thing, regular hydration is meaning like drinking regular water a day, like 7 cups a day, 8 cups, 9 cups to 10. And yes, that can make regular hydration and can regulate body temperature. If you are really hot, it will maintain your body temperature if you always drink water and helps eliminate toxins. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. Exercising. Now you guys, you there's that. So this is sorry. So I'm so sorry. So when we say exercising, it's the thing we do to morning or in morning. Or we can do it at night if we can. Because exercise means like build some muscle tone. Exercise strengthens the cardiovascular system and enhances mental health by raising endorphins. So we go to the next one. Hygiene. Oh, yeah, that's focus. Hygiene means showering. So we cannot get ill or spread of germs around our body. Yeah, you can see on the screen, she or he is going to a bath. So when we don't like having a bath, you can prevent illness and spread germs around your body. Do you want that? No, right? We all want to be clean. So we need to maintain a good hygiene so we cannot get sick or promoting overall health. Okay, next please. So who knows your skincare? Raise your arms. I mean, so when we know skincare, it's like the practicing a regular skincare protects our skin and make it glow and helps maintain its health. Like when you have a great, I don't know, and you have a great skin, then protect it with some skincare, and so it doesn't have like the issues um or yeah issues. So let's say issues. So we cannot prevent skin issues like pimples. Yeah, I don't know. Next, please. nutrition. So we need nutrients. We have sorry. So we need to eat nutritional foods because when we eat nutritional foods, it's a balanced diet that supports our physical health and each mental, prevents range of chronic something I can't see. Yeah, overall well. So we cannot get sick because eating nutritional fruits, nutritional vegetables, we can maintain healthy. So who wants healthy here? Okay, then now, today, on this day, we need to eat nutritional fruits and nutritional vegetables. So, organization. So, we always have a to-do list like, ooh, first thing in the morning, I would wash my face and put some skincare on. Second, I will go exercise. Now, I drink some water. It's like things that we are going to do for this day. We are gonna write it down, like learn anything. So and now today it's health. So I organize this all for us. That one, but I organize it. So it's like allowing us to for a smoother execution of daily tasks. That's all. So, you know what hobbies is? So, hobbies, engaging hobbies regularly in a great way to relax or to unwind. Do you have a hobby?
No.
I have one. You know what? What is it? I like crocheting. I like singing. I like um, to what's it called? To play the bass. So when we have hobbies, it can create creativity, personal happiness, and first happiness, happiness, all of it. Happiness can provide us happiness. So if you learn something, okay, hi. So if you learn something here, thanks for listening. It's the end. If you learn something, tell me. I'm happy. Goodbye.